Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage Discord chat on your PS5. Firstly, make sure that your account is linked with the Discord app and that you've joined the chat on the Discord app on your smartphone or PC. Now, go to menu, enter Game Base, Parties, and here is your joined party. Now you can manage audio balance, you can mute, you can go to voice chat settings, or you can leave the current party. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.